What's up YouTube? This is the Wisco Boater channel. My name is Chad. Today I'm going to get the engine put back on the boat. And we're going to do basically the exact opposite that we did before when I took the engine off. We're going to use the tie boss system here, raise it up off of the engine stand, move the boat back, drop it down on the transom, and then we'll clamp it down. It's really a very simple thing to do. If everything goes well, it's a 10 to 15 minute job. So I don't anticipate any problems here, but let's get started by getting the tie boss system down, get the engine positioned. I'll pull it off the stand and I'll move the boat back to the engine and we'll put it on. And there we go. Engine reinstalled single-handedly, very easily. These things are, I've talked about them before. The tie boss system, it's a, gives a, with the block and tackle at the top plus 2 pulleys is a 3-to-1 advantage. So you're lifting very little weight relative to the actual weight of the engine. So yeah, that was easy. So thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, send me some comments. And if you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Happy boating, everybody.